Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to make CreativeWorks particle logo animation without using third-party plugins. Create a new composition. Name it as Logo Formation. Set preset to HDV/HDTV 720 frame rate 25. Set the time duration to 10 seconds. Then hit OK. Create a new solid. Name it as background. We are going to use it as background image. In Effect and Preset, search for the ramps and add it to the solid layer. Change start color. Change end color. Change ramp shape to radial ramp. Change ramp scatter to 150. Change end of ramp to 1000. We are going to use this as project background. Import logo to your project. Now add logo to timeline. To scale image, press S on your keyboard. Set scale value to 10. Pre-compose it and name it as logo. Now again pre-compose logo composition. Name it as display. Now open display composition. Go to composition. Composition settings and change the preset to HDV/HDTV 720. Scale the logo to 10. Go back to the logo formation composition. Select display composition and pre-compose it. Name it as formation. Enlarge the logo. Go to display composition. In Effect and Preset, search for CC ball action. Add it to display composition. Change the value to -500. Change rotation axis to Z-axis. Twist property to diamond. Create a keyframe to scatter it. Go 2 seconds forward and change scatter value to 0. Press U to display keyframes. Select keyframes and change keyframe assistant to easy ease, or you can press F9 shortcut key. Adjust the speed graph. Go to 0 seconds and timeline and create a keyframe to twist angle. Set value to 270. Go 2 seconds forward and change value to 0. Select keyframes and change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Adjust the graph. Create a keyframe to grid spacing. Set value to 4. Go 2 second keyframe and set value to 1. Press Alt and keyboard and click on clock icon in instability state. Enter expression. Wiggle 0.5, 200. Go back to the logo formation composition. Select formation composition and Effect and Preset, search turbulent displace. Create a keyframe for the amount. Set value to 50. Go 2 seconds forward. Change value to 0. Select keyframes and change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Adjust the speed graph as shown. Search CC Force Motion Blur. Add it to the composition. Change shutter angle to 300. Search for glow. Add it to the composition. Search for camera lens blur. Add it to the composition. Go to 0 seconds in timeline and create a keyframe to blur radius. Change value to 50. Go 1 second forward. Set value to 0. Press U to display keyframes. Select keyframes and change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Adjust the speed graph as shown. In Project Files, select Logo Composition. Add it to Timeline. Change the scale to 10. Press Alt plus open bracket to trim composition. Press Alt plus close bracket to trim composition. Press Alt plus close bracket to trim composition. Make composition 3D. Add logo composition. Scale it to 10. Search CC Light Sweep. Add it to the composition. Change shape to smooth. Create center keyframe. Position it away from the logo. Go up 3.22 seconds forward and position it other side. Select formation composition. Press D for opacity. Add 2 seconds, create a keyframe. Go 1 second forward, set value to 0. Select keyframes and change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Adjust the speed graph. Add logo composition to the timeline. Rename it to Outline. Scale it to 10. In Effect and Preset, search for Vegas. Add it to the timeline. Change segment distribution to bunched. Change segments to 1. Change the blend mode to transparent. If you want, you can also change the color. Go 1.15 seconds in timeline and create a keyframe for rotation. Go up 1 second forward and change value to -1. Go 1.15 in timeline and create a keyframe to start opacity. Set value to 0. Go 1.24 in timeline and change the value to 1. Go 2.09 in timeline and create a keyframe. Go 2.15 in timeline and change the value to 0. Adjust keyframes as you wish. Select keyframes and change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Select outline composition and search effect and preset for glow. Add into composition. Add again glow to the composition. Select outline composition. Change mode to add. Change parent to logo 3. Select second logo. Change mode to overlay. Add text. Enter your text. Align it to center. Pre-compose text layer. Name it as text. Trim composition. Let's add fair to timeline. Change mode to add. Adjust the layer as per your logo. Trim composition. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the layer. Position it some distance. Trim and adjust layers as shown. Select formation composition and duplicate it. Select time reverse layer, position it in end, go to outline. Select keyframes and Ctrl+C to copy, go some distance forward and paste it. Select flare movie layer and trim. Select text composition. Go 5.04 in timeline and create a keyframe for opacity. Set value to 0. Go 5 in timeline and change the value to 100. Adjust and trim layers. Go to 0.19 in timeline and create a keyframe for opacity. Set value to 100. Go to 0.09 in timeline and change the value to 0. Adjust the layers. Now you can export the animation. Select File, Export, Add to Render Queue. Select an output folder. Type the file name and click Save. Click Output Module Lossless. Click drop-down arrow in Format and select QuickTime. Click Format option. Click drop-down arrow in Video Codec and select H.264, then hit OK. Again hit OK. Now you can render the animation. You can watch the animation video from the output folder that you saved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos.